Welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I thought I'd do, I'm currently here in Puerto Princesa, and I thought I'd do a little bit of a mini walking tour today and visit some highlight spots. One, Plaza Cuartel, which is a famous monument here in World War II, and I'll explain that once I get there. And then the other one is called the Immaculate Conception Church. So we'll hit those two on the way. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and let's get going. It's actually not that far away from my hotel, and I think I actually walked down there. A little bit warm, but that's all right. Gonna make a left over here and head down this street so you can see some of the street action here on Palawan. I'll just kind of show that a little bit as I'm moving. It's good to see what's going on with the locals while you're here. So I've arrived up here at this historic attraction, and let's go check it out. I'm not sure if it's open or not, but we'll check it out. Now, this is the other one I'm going to check out after the Immaculate Conception Catholic Church. But first, we'll head over here and see. Now, according to Google, I just found out it's actually closed on Sunday, but I see the gate open, so maybe I can get in there. I'm not really sure. This is the entrance, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a history right now. On this site, once a military base during the Second World War, some 150 American prisoners of war were burned to death by Japanese soldiers. 14 December 1944, a few survivors swam to. The remains of those who died were brought in a common grave in the Jefferson Barracks National Cemetery in St. Louis County, Missouri in 1952. So that's a little bit of history. Go inside and check it out. Pay my respects. Kind of do a little bit of a circle here, and this is a little bit of a history, the importance of Palawan. Just kind of briefly go over it. It was important both the Japanese and Allied forces for strategic position, and the Japanese built an airfield using American prisoners of war. So to be able to cover the West Philippine sea coast, watchers sent by submarine from Australia to naval traffic straight around the Palawan, resulting in many Japanese ships being sunk by American submarines. So this has got quite a bit of history on why Palawan was actually used. Once again, on the Palawan massacre is December of '44. Japanese in Palawan detected a strong American task force. Fearing it was bound for Palawan, the Japanese garrison forced the American prisoners of war at the Plaza Cuartel to enter the air raid shelters. They then sat there helpless. Americans were on fire in one of the worst atrocities of World War II. Only 11 men out of 150 survived the massacre due to Filipino guerrillas who rescued and protected them. So here's some of the members. Glenn McDowell, one of the survivors, a U.S. Marine. And here's some other survivors. And here's the Palawan in World War II, and you can see who the governors were at the time. Now it looks like they're doing a little bit of work on it, but let's see, let's take a look in down here. It's kind of now this is kind of some of the surrounding areas. And again, it looks like they're doing some work around it. I'll show that. But a lot of history in this area. Look at this fountain. I don't know how old it is, but it's all part of it here. This is like a landmark, and you can see on the other side. So you can see that what's going on over here, they got some type of construction for this site. But I'm glad to be able to get in here. And here is a memorial marker for the 143 American POWs. Grim reminder of the realities of war, price for freedom, the burning to death of 143 American prisoners of war by the Japanese Imperial Army. Inside this tunnel on the site, faithful evening of December 15th, 1944. So there you have it, paying my tribute. This is on the right side of the monument. So just right next to the Plaza Cuartel is the Immaculate Conception, which is, I'm going to read a little bit of history of it. And this is the front of the church. And then we'll go inside. I'm just going to kind of read you a little history, what I pulled up, and check it out. The Immaculate Conception Cathedral is a religious and historical landmark in the province of Palawan. The Spanish area church is located across the historic Plaza Cuartel and here in Puerto Princesa city. So I'm going to go inside and check this church out, and also the co-founder of Puerto Princesa. He was born on April 9th, 1848. And he is a patron saint of cancer patients. Here's a little prayer that you can recite. Now I'm actually going to make my way to Baywalk Park, which is another really nice place to visit. But although I'll see it now, I plan on going in, checking it out this evening. But just to kind of take a look at it now would be really neat. So follow me along on this adventure. And if this content helps you out in any way, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. Now, according to my Google Maps, I will head this way and then make a left up here, passing the church once again. So looking good down this road to Baywalk Park. And it is a very warm day today. And I believe when I get down there, I'll get some water. My gosh. Lucky I got my hat on, I got my sun shirt on. Full sun protection today. I was going to come down wear my tank top, but I think that'd be too much sun. Okay, there is the sign. I just need to get safely across the street. See if I can get that for you. So here is where I wanted to go. But like I said, I believe I'll come back here later in the evening when so I'm going to leave this park and maybe hit a few of the town area and head back to the hotel. And if this content helps you out, benefits you in any way, please consider hitting the like. It really does help out my channel. And it's really good to be here. Although I'm kind of passing through some of the town area. Check it out. This is a Unitop store right next to me. There's more stores across the street. There's a Jollibee up there. So busy for a Saturday. One thing about Jollibee, they seem to be on every street corner. I'll walk up here. It's always good to show what's going on in the local traffic. They got a thing called the grocer man up here. Never heard of that one. Let's see, I'll just do some random walking here. Not sure what's here, but you can see lots of vendors out. Look at all these coconuts. That's a lot. I love coconuts. What is that, buko, I believe? I love the coconut drink. One of my favorites. Maybe I can find some. Any comments on the video, please leave them below. I really appreciate it. Just kind of doing a winding walking tour. Saw a couple historical sites. Went down to Baywalk Park, and you're just kind of cutting through town a little bit to get a feel of the city. I'll head up this way. I'll get one of these waters. These are the little sorry stores. You find this quite everywhere, and I'm really thirsty, so time to get some water. Oh yeah, too big?
Too big?
Yeah, the big one? Yes.
30.
Yes, 30? Okay. Pretty much everywhere, and they have a lot of you know, snack food and water and soda. And looks like you can even refill your card here too. So just gonna hang out, and you know, if this content benefits you in any way, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. And actually walked around quite a few areas today, and I really enjoyed getting out and seeing a lot of different areas around town. And this is kind of my ending of this video, kind of give you a lasting shot of Palawan, and I hope to see you in the next video, which will probably be up there in El Nido. So see ya.